James,
Ah!
I need a word with you.
Oh dear.
I am not happy with you. You soaked my brand new hat yesterday. If you cannot behave, I will take away your red paint and have you painted blue. Do you understand?
Oh, yes, sir.
Good. Now off to work you go.